What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, today I will teach you again basic choreography. So this is for my class in beginners class. This is the choreography I teach in beginners class. So the title of the song is called Low by Flo Rida. Okay, let's start. Alright everyone, so for this one, of course we're gonna start closing our feet together. So open 1, hit on 2. So make sure you're facing a little bit to your right, diagonal. Okay? Then wave 3, I'm wrong. 7 and 1, 2, then step to your left, put your left hands to your chest, 3, 4. Then you go step to the front, 5, 6. You can use your hand like this or just stay. 5, 6, go 7 and 8. So what I do is, I do this 5, 6, 7, and look at 8. Okay? Let's try. So 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Alright, next from here. Go 1, this is Justin Timberlake, 6, 7, and 1, 2, this one, 3, and 4. Don't do this, otherwise you look like Kung Fu. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step to the side, 5, 6. This time, point 7 and 8. For the last time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Side 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Your hand is on this position. Let's start from the top. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, one more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm not sure if this is a bridge or a chorus. Should be, I'm not sure. So from here you're gonna go here. So the lyrics here is da, and hit the floor. So that's the part. So let's put the counting, 6, 7, 8. Flex, 1, 2, up, 3, touch the floor. 4, if you cannot, just point. 4, you're gonna go up. 5, center, down 6, then 7 and 8. Copy? One more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's continue this one. Then you're gonna go low, 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 low. 4, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this one is fast. 5, 6, just close, 7, away on 8. Okay? So make sure it's just small movements. You don't need to boom, boom, because you cannot catch it with the music. So from here, 6, 7, and 1, 2, up, down, 5, 6, 7, 8, low, 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 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's continue. From here, 7, 8, you just pull yourself back to center. 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step to your right, then clap. Then step to your left, then isolation. Actually, this is isolation. But if you have problem with the isolation, just kick, then look. Okay, just delay a little bit. Because the isolation is 2 counts. Okay? 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The isolation is one count only. 7, and 8. Okay? Let's continue. Then slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross on 5, 6, 7, and 8. Choreography is until here. Because the next one, you're gonna repeat this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But instead of going here, you're gonna go low, 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 and the same. Yes, that's all the choreography. But before playing the music, we start from here. So 6, 7, 8. Go pull yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count. Step right. Clap. Isolation. Lower. Then cross. 1, 6, 7, 8. Repeat. 1, 2. Hit the floor. Ta-da. And go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, everyone. Before the music, let's count from the top. Ready? 5, 6 from the beginning. 7 and cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Low, 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 low. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Pull yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and low. 1, 2, 3. Cross from 5, 6, 7. Repeat. 1, 2, up, down, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull yourself, front and yes. Good job. Let's try music. Here we go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment on my video, okay? And if you have suggestions of the song or type of dance that you want to learn, just let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section and yeah, just leave me a message. Bye bye. I'll see you soon.